In this ChatGPT guide, I'm going to show you how you can obtain the API key from OpenAI so you can use ChatGPT in external apps to enhance your experience. Let's get going. First, you want to open the openai.com website. You want to go to this address, wait for the website to load, and once you're here, simply click the menu button in the top right side, and you see how the menu expands. The second last option is what you want to select, login. Click that, and you will most likely have to add your email, password, or select the platform like Google or Apple, whichever one you have to log in with. For the sake of this video, I'm already logged in to make things go smoother and quicker. And yeah, once you get here, simply click the API button on the right side. And now you're going to go to the platform of API. As you can see, the URL says platform.openai.com. Now, once you get here, you want to look to the left side of your screen. Simply hover your mouse on this side and see how these options simply pop up. They expand and they cover more of the screen. Simply select API keys, and you're now taken to the section of OpenAI where you can access all of your API keys. Right here you've got the plus create a new secret key. This is the button you want to click in order to create your new API key. Remember, you cannot delete all the API keys, you must have at least one existing API key. Before I show you how to get your API key, you have to keep in mind that this has to be 100% kept secret. Because if somebody with bad intentions sees your API key and they start using it, you may get charged for all of their usage and you can't do anything about it. So make sure nobody ever sees it. Now, to create your API key, you want to simply click this plus create a new secret key button. And then optionally you can name your key. For this example, I'm just going to name it example for my video. When you're done naming, simply click create secret key. Wait a couple of minutes, seconds. Then you want to verify that you're human. So finish the captcha, submit, and then you're going to have one more, most likely. Depends on your case. Do this one as well. Click submit. Wait a bit. Verification complete. Now the API key is generated, so what you want to do is copy it. The best thing to do is to put it in a text document and then keep it there so you have it as a backup, because remember, you can see it only once, as it says here in bold. You can never see your API key again. If you could forget it, it's best to just delete it and start a new one to make sure nobody ever uses it, if it sleeps on the internet or something by mistake. So make sure you always know your API key. Right, now that you know your API key, you want to go to the second part, which is open the app you want to use it for. In this example, we're going to use typingmind.com, which is a better layout for ChatGPT. And once you get to the app, go to the settings and you have the API key section. For us, it's right here. So what we want to do is click this, and in the OpenAI API key section, you want to just paste yours, click save, and then that's it. You're now using your OpenAI API key to power another external app. That's pretty much all you need to know about using the OpenAI API key for another app. Thank you for watching this video.